Welcome to New in Germany, your honest guide to making Germany home. Many newcomers think reporting a stolen passport or bike is a quick chat at the police station. This assumption will lead to weeks of delays and rejected insurance claims. Filing a Strafanzeige, a criminal complaint, is a formal legal act here. First, you absolutely must file a police report for a stolen passport. Your embassy needs it for a replacement, and the Ausländerbehörde, the immigration office, requires it to transfer your residence permit to your new document. Without this proof, they won't reissue your permit. Next, for insurance claims, especially for bike theft or apartment break-ins, a Strafanzeige is essential. Your Hausratversicherung home contents insurance will require the official Aktenzeichen, the file number, to process your claim. Without it, you won't get paid. When reporting, be precise. Sometime last weekend is not enough. Provide exact dates and times. Bring proof of ownership like original invoices for electronics or the Rahmennummer frame number for your bike. Without these, your insurance claim will be denied. The language barrier is real. While you might expect an English-speaking officer, they are not legally required to provide one. If your German is basic, bring a friend who speaks the language. For serious crimes, you have a right to a dolmetscher, a translator, but for a stolen bicycle, they'll likely point you to the online portal. Finally, the Aktenzeichen is your golden ticket. This file number is crucial for all follow-up paperwork. Your insurance company needs it, your landlord needs it if keys were stolen, and the Ausländerbehörde needs it for your residence permit. Guard this number carefully. For more practical advice and to navigate life in Germany with confidence, visit newingermany.eu. That's newingermany.eu.